Welcome again to our engineering class, and today let's discuss about the base of the building, foundation and foundation plan. The concept of foundation. Foundation refers to the lowest part of a building, which is in direct contact with the ground. Functions of the foundation: 1. Provides the base for superstructure, 2. Transfers the load of the structure to the ground so that it stands firm and stable for its lifespan. 3. Provision of level surface: foundation provides leveled and hard surface over which the superstructure can be built. 4. Protection against soil movement. Special foundation measures prevent or minimize the distress or cracks in the superstructure due to expansion or contraction of subsoil because of moisture movement in some problematic soil. 5. Lateral stability: the stability of the building against sliding and overturning due to horizontal forces such as wind and earthquake. Types of foundation. Building foundation can be classified into two groups, namely 1. Shallow, 2. Deep foundation. The choice for type of foundation depends on 1. Soil condition, 2. The type of the structure or building, 3. The structural loading of the building, 4. Economic factor, 5. Time factor relative to the construction period. Okay, let's discuss the classification of foundation. 1. Shallow foundation. These are types of foundation that transfers the building load to the earth very near to the surface. They are constructed where the soil layer at shallow depth, up to 1.5 meters, is able to support the structural loads. Types of shallow foundation: 1. Strip foundation, 2. Pad foundation, 3. Raft foundation, 4. Strap foundation. Strip foundation. These are type of shallow foundations suitable for stable subsoil and small building loadings. They are mostly used in low to medium rise building. Strip foundation can be made up of concrete, blocks, stones, or steel. A strip foundation is advised when the building has load-bearing walls. The soil has good bearing capacity. It works well on firm soil like gravel and sand. The structure is relatively lightweight, used in residential and small commercial buildings. The load is spread out evenly, suitable for buildings with uniform load distribution. Pad foundation. This is the type of foundation suitable for most subsoil, except loose sand, loose gravels, and fill areas, which is usually constructed with other types of foundations. In this type of foundation, the pad footings are placed only under the column that bear load. This type of foundation is often used in large and multi-story buildings. Raft or mat foundation. These are types of shallow foundation which are used to spread the load of the structure or building over a large base to reduce the load per unit area being imposed on the ground. They are particularly useful where the low-bearing capacity soil are encountered and individual column loads are heavy. It consists of a large continuous rectangular or circular reinforced concrete slab that carry the entire load of the superstructure and spread it over the whole area beneath the building, and columns constructed on the concrete slab as shown. Strap foundation. These are the types of shallow foundation which consist of 2 isolated footings connected to a structural strap. The strap connects the 2 footings to behave as one unit. They are designed as rigid beam. The individual footing are designed in such a way that their combined lines of action pass through the resultant of the total load. 2. Deep foundations. These types of foundations carry building loads to harder strata that are deeper below the ground level. Selection of deep foundation depends on type and load from the superstructure. Properties of the soil. The depth of the soil layer capable of supporting the foundation. Other site constraint like depth of water level and intensity of underground water flow. Types of deep foundation: 1. Pile foundation, 2. Shaft foundation. Pile foundation. A pile foundation is a series of columns constructed or inserted into the ground to transmit the loads of the structure to a lower level of subsoil. It is usually used when there is unstable soil near the ground level. Piles are driven into the ground by heavy piles driving machines. A pile foundation constitutes a pile and pile cap, which is the slab for starting construction of columns and walls. Shaft foundation. These foundations are constructed by drilling a cylindrical hole within a deep excavation and subsequently placing concrete or another prefabricated load-bearing unit. Drilled shaft can be constructed near the existing structure and under low overhead conditions, making them suitable for use in numerous seismic retrofit projects. We hope you have gained a lot from our today's class. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more important concern on engineering concepts.